Okay guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable or allow pop-ups on iPhone. So if you want to allow pop-ups on your Safari browser whenever you are browsing, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to allow pop-ups on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and open Safari browser. On our S18, scroll down and open apps. Then search for Safari and open it. Once open the Safari browser, you want to scroll down the page, locate block pop-ups. So if block pop-ups is disabled, that shows it is turned off. Now for you to enable it, just go ahead and toggle this on, and that's going to allow block pop-ups on your iPhone, and then you can now hit the back button. Then when next you have pop-ups on the Safari, like hats, then you'll be able to see. So that is basically how to allow block pop-ups on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.